Have you ever wondered if there's a deeper meaning behind the random occurrences in your life? Or perhaps if there's a hidden guidance aligning you with opportunities and insights? Today we look into the law of attraction and understand how it operates through various signs that the universe sends our way. This video will uncover 3 unmistakable signs that demonstrate the universe's support in our lives, guiding us towards our true path and best experiences. Let's begin with one of the most enchanting concepts, synchronicities. Imagine you're thinking about changing your job, and out of nowhere, an old friend you haven't spoken to in years calls you and mentions an opportunity in their company. Or perhaps you keep encountering the same series of numbers on clocks, license plates, or addresses. These are not mere coincidences. They are what Carl Jung called synchronicity. They signify the universe nudging us to pay attention and often affirm that we are exactly where we need to be. Synchronicities serve as soft whispers from the universe, guiding us by showing us patterns and alignments that are too timely to be dismissed as mere chance. They can be seen as cosmic confirmations supporting our intuitions about the decisions we face. Whether it's a repeated number that keeps appearing or a chance meeting that feels too right to be random, these synchronicities are signs to encourage us to proceed or to reassure us about our current path. Recognizing these signs requires us to be attentive and aware. It's about more than just noticing the events. It's about connecting the dots between what we are experiencing and what we are feeling or thinking about our lives at that moment. The key here is not just in recognizing these signs, but understanding their timing and relevance to the aspects of our lives they relate to. Moving to our second sign, let's talk about gut feelings or intuition. This is your internal compass, an unexplainable certainty or knowing that guides you towards or away from certain people, decisions, or actions. It's that inexplicable feeling that something is right or wrong, even when rational analysis offers a contrary suggestion. Your intuition is a powerful ally, acting as a direct line to the universe's wisdom, filtering through your subconscious mind. Trust in these feelings is crucial. Often we ignore our gut instincts, swayed by logical reasoning or the opinions of others. But tuning in to these subtle internal nudges can guide us more effectively than the most well-meaning advice from those around us. Our intuition is attuned to our deepest desires and needs, and when we listen, we align ourselves with the universe's plans for us. Developing a strong connection with your intuition can be transformative. It involves quieting the mind, spending time in reflection or meditation, and getting comfortable with listening to the quieter whispers within. The more you practice this, the clearer and more discernible your intuitions will become. While we move forward, let us explore the third sign that the universe is assisting us, which may seem counterintuitive at first: obstacles and challenges. While it's natural to perceive hurdles as setbacks or negative experiences, from a broader perspective, they often serve a crucial purpose in our growth and alignment with our true paths. When faced with challenges, it's helpful to consider them as redirections rather than roadblocks. These obstacles might be the universe's way of pausing our current direction to steer us towards something better suited for our ultimate good. It is not about the hurdle itself, but what we learn from it and how we adapt that contributes to our personal and spiritual development. This perspective encourages us to look at difficulties through a lens of growth and potential opportunity. When things seem tough and our plans are thwarted, it might actually be a signal that we are being pushed to reconsider our paths, to find new, perhaps unexplored avenues that align more closely with our deepest values and potential. Continuing from our exploration of signs from the universe, it's crucial to understand how to recognize and interpret these signals effectively. Being able to distinguish between mere coincidence and a meaningful sign can help us make decisions that are more in tune with our personal growth and universal guidance. First, pay attention to the frequency and context of the signs. A true sign will often recur in a way that is hard to ignore and usually appears in conjunction with an issue or question you've been pondering. The timing of these signs is also key. They often show up just when you need them, providing clarity or confirmation to your subconscious queries. Second, practice mindfulness. Being present in the moment enhances your ability to perceive and interpret the subtle messages that are all around you. It helps to keep a journal of these signs and the circumstances under which they occur. Over time, patterns may emerge that help clarify their meaning. Balance your intuition with rational thought. While it's important to trust your gut feelings, combining them with logical reasoning can provide a more rounded approach to interpreting the signs. This dual approach ensures that you are not just reacting emotionally or dismissing logical explanations prematurely. It's crucial to address the topic of avoiding misinterpretations of the signs from the universe. While it's beneficial to be open to guidance, it's equally important to maintain a grounded approach to ensure we are not misreading the signals that come our way. One effective way to avoid misinterpretations is to seek consistency in the signs. A genuine sign from the universe will often present itself multiple times in various forms. This repetition helps to confirm that what you're experiencing is more than just a coincidence. It's about discerning patterns that consistently align with your thoughts and experiences rather than isolated events that may be tempting to overinterpret. It is helpful to consult with oneself through introspection. Asking yourself whether a perceived sign truly resonates with your inner sense of truth can be enlightening. This internal dialogue helps filter out noise and focuses on signs that genuinely contribute to your life's direction. Balancing intuition with rational thought is another key aspect of correctly interpreting signs from the universe. While intuition is a powerful guide, integrating it with logical reasoning creates a balanced approach to understanding the signs you encounter. To achieve this balance, you can start by reflecting on the practical implications of following a sign. For example, if you feel guided towards making a significant life change, consider the logical steps that would support this decision. Planning and pragmatism do not have to be at odds with intuitive decision-making. Instead, they can complement it by ensuring that your actions are well thought out and sustainable. And seeking advice or insights from trusted sources can also aid in maintaining this balance. Sometimes an outside perspective can provide clarity or offer a different angle that harmonizes your intuitive feelings with logical considerations. This approach ensures that you are not solely relying on subjective feelings, but are also considering objective evidence and advice. Remember that the universe is constantly in conversation with you, providing signs and signals to guide, support, and teach you throughout your life's journey. The key to benefiting from this guidance is to stay observant, reflective, and open to the messages you receive. Maintaining a balanced approach between intuitive feelings and logical reasoning will ensure that you make well-rounded decisions. It's important to stay grounded while being receptive to the possibilities that these universal signs may suggest. As you continue to navigate through life, keep this dialogue open. Regularly take time to reflect on the signs you've perceived and how they've influenced your path. This ongoing practice will not only enhance your connection with the universe, but also empower you to live a more fulfilled and purposeful life. Thank you for joining this exploration of the universe's subtle yet profound communications. May you find clarity and confidence in the signs you encounter, and may they lead you to your greatest potential and deepest satisfaction in life. Remember, the journey is as significant as the destination, and each sign is a step along the path to greater understanding and harmony with the cosmos.